to talk with the mama mbogas who have no money, who have no transport cost to go and restock, who have no money to go and buy more stock because the cost of mboga is now at a higher price. We need to talk with the boda riders who have no money to refuel their bodas. We need to talk with the matatu industry who have no money to fuel their cars for businesses. We need to talk with the men and women, the parents of this nation, who have no money to transport their children to institutions of higher learning. We need to talk to the parents who have no money to pay for fees at the university. The current situation in the university is so wanting, where we are being promised by the government that they shall provide scholarships for 45,000 students across the nation, while currently they cannot disburse money for the ongoing students, for the students who are currently studying at the universities. If those standing cannot get their share, how will those crawling get their share? Therefore, whatever is happening at the Bomas of Kenya must be cancelled with an immediate effect. And the moment we resume to our normal operations, then the president and the deputy president shall come back to Kenya, because as things are, they are very comfortable. Wameenda kuogelea ng'ambo, Wakenya wakiumia hapa nchini. Wameenda kujivinjari ng'ambo, Wakenya wakati Wakenya wanaumia hapa nchini. So we are waiting for a major announcement, and then after that we need to stop singing and we start swinging. We are already